Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make a mullein tincture. It's so easy. All you're going to need is some mullein. This is the mullein leaf. Got it all cut up. And some 100 proof vodka. So I'm going to take a mason jar and put my mullein leaf in. This is so good, guys, to detox your lungs. Any sort of, why can't I talk tonight? Respiratory problems, it's very helpful for that. It breaks up all the congestion in the chest. It's really wonderful, mullein tincture. So you've got the mullein, and you got the 100 proof alcohol. I'm going to pour that in. I did about half mullein. The alcohol right to the top. Take a little stick or something and get all of the air out. Just push it around a bit there. Get the air out. So what you're going to do is you're going to use 3 eyedroppers a day of this. So the mullein, I've already got it labeled, the cap. That's important to do. Label it, the time that you made it and what it is. So I've got all the air out. And I've got it nice and close to the top. I'm going to cap it. I'm going to put that in a dark spot for 4 to 6 weeks. I actually like to go 8 weeks or more. And then I'll strain it and be ready to go to detox.